Hi guys, this is a tutorial to make this blouse right here. It doesn't need any patterns. I hope you like it and you can share and comment below, please. First of all, we need to measure the length of our ruffle on our body, so we can mark that measure on the fabric and cut. To know the width of our ruffle, we are going to measure the part of our body that is above our chest, where we want our blouse to stretch. We are going to double that measure and mark it on the fabric. The next step is to cut the whole ruffle. After this, we are going to cut 2 rectangles of the length of your choice for your blouse and the double of the circumference of above your chest or your bust without your arms. Then you're going to cut. In this part of the video, I'm joining the 4 pieces I cut it for the ruffle. The next step is to join the 2 rectangles we cut it for the blouse. We join together the 2 upper corners of our blouse, so we can mark and cut the armholes. We are going to measure 5 centimeters horizontally and 7 centimeters vertically, and then cut the mark. Measure the armhole. We need to cut 2 pieces of this last measure and 4 centimeters. We are going to sew each of these pieces to each of the armholes of the blouse. I'm showing you how to do it right here. Now we need to sew the blouse to the ruffle like this. We need to sew the wrong side of the blouse with the right side of the ruffle, like this, joining the middle of the ruffle with the middle of the blouse. We need to make a seam like this, so we can put elastic inside. You need to leave a small part without sewing, because we need to introduce the elastic. Using a bodkin or a pin, you're going to introduce the elastic. When you have the elastic inside, you need to stretch the blouse. When the elastic is adjusted to the blouse, we need to make some seam right here. Then we need to sew the part we left. We hem the ruffle. And last but not least, we hem the blouse. And there we have it. We have a super pretty blouse.